If there's been one major thing that's really developed Petitti's, I would say it's been the radio show. I had a customer that was the director of WERE. One day he came and said, Angelos, would you like to do like a tip on the radio? And now I'd never done anything like that before. So he said, I said, yeah, sure. He said, well, why don't you come to the station at 5 o'clock tomorrow morning? So we went there at 5 o'clock the next morning and asked some questions, answered some questions, like about a couple of minutes. And, you know, from that, really the radio show was born.
That is one of his genuinely true passions in life. You know, he loves it. He loves to be able to share knowledge. He loves to be able to help, you know, teach people and help make them successful.
It's definitely been a major catalyst for Petitti's, but I think it's been a really a great thing for the community. I think the community really values it, appreciates it, and it's really taught them how to be a better gardener.
I think it's nice that he's accessible to the customers and wants to help them however which way that he can. And, you know, the customers are learning by listening to other people's questions as well.
You could ask the same question that callers, 7 people before called, and my dad would always just answer the question again. He always was happy to answer the question, share the wisdom, but also just perpetuate the love of gardening.
He loves doing that show.
It means like I'm talking to our friends, and if you take the time to listen for an hour, you got to really be passionate about that subject.
Welcome to Gardening with Angelo on News Radio WTAM 1100. Now your host, Angelo Petitti.
Good morning and welcome to Gardening with Angelo. Our phone number, area code 216-578-1100 or 216-578-1111. Morning, Angelo.
Angelo.
Yes, go ahead.
Hi, pleasure talking with you. I bought